Kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'll be showing you how to find out if your Galaxy is fake or original. First of all, I would like to apologize for the background noise. I'm in the Samsung store at the moment and there are a lot of people in the store, so sorry for that. Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus has been recently launched by Samsung and the price for these devices are really high. But sometimes what happens, you just browsing through a website and you find a very good deal, and without thinking much you just order the device, and eventually when you receive the device it looks original, everything looks fine, but when you dig deep into it you find out that there is some kind of thing which is missing. So it's always good to check your device once you get it, especially when you buy from a online portal which you don't trust in, unlike Amazon or eBay. Sometime on eBay also you get some fake products. So basically, if you have any Samsung device, there are like 3 rules I can say. You can easily check if your device is perfectly fine, there's no issue, it's not refurbished or something. Anyways, Galaxy Note 10 line has just been launched, so there's no chance you'll get a refurbished one. But at the same time, yes, if you are buying Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, you might get a online portal selling a refurbished one. So how do you find it? You just go to the dialer and you type in *#O*#, and you should get this menu. Any Galaxy device you own after Galaxy, you can say S5, must have this menu. When you dial the number and you get this menu, it means that your device is perfectly original, authentic. And suppose for some reason you don't get this dial, don't be afraid, there is another method I will show you. But basically what this device menu tells you is there are so many functions you can check yourself. One of the most important function would be about the S Pen. So you can just you can see if your LCD is perfectly fine, because LCD of Samsung devices cost almost half the price. So you must see that every area it should work fine, there should be no issues or problem. You are able to draw everywhere in the screen. Sometime if your device fell down, some part of the screen can become dead. So there are dead pixels. Even if you try to, the touch will not work. So as you can see, this is a brand new device, so there is no reason the touch will not work or any issues. You can check the red, green, blue, vibrations, everything you can check over here. I mean, I'm not going to show you all the menus, but in general, this is how you find out if your Galaxy is new, is original. The first method should work, but for some reason if the first method does not work, don't worry about it. So if you buy a Note 10, which is Verizon or any other carrier, and the first code doesn't work, you can try the second code, which is *#7353 and hash. Now as you can see on this particular Note 10 Plus, now this code is not working. So as I said, this code might work with your device if it's from Verizon or some other carrier and your first code is not working. This code will also take you in the similar menu, not the same menu, which will also authenticate that the device is authentic, original, and it's not refurbished. And plus you can check all the functions of the device. And suppose for some odd reason both the codes doesn't work, then you have the last option, which is very simple and genuine. All you can do, you can just try to find out the IMEI number. So when you get a refurbished device or any fake device, see, the software on the device can be changed. You can install a custom ROM, and you can even change sometime the IMEI number. Like for example, for this device, this is the serial number. So when you type this serial number and the Samsung's serial number check, you will find the exact information about this device. But sometime, as I said, the software of the device can be changed. The IMEI number can also be changed. So that is why I also always go to the dialer. It will give you the exact IMEI of the device. So you type in *#06 and hash. Now this is actually a demo device that is running the demo version. Actually that was a demo unit, so I couldn't show it. So I'm showing you in my Galaxy S10 Plus. Now the last option is to find the IMEI number from the dialer itself, not from the software, because software can be changed. But the dial menu will always take you to the exact IMEI number. Sometime when they can install a custom ROM, they can change the IMEI number. Yes, it is possible. It's surprising, but it's possible. When you use the dialer, it will give you the exact IMEI number of the device. So you can just type in *#06 and hash. Now since it has a dual SIM, this is the exact IMEI of the device, what you're looking for. So there is no way they can change this one. So you can take this IMEI number, then you can just go to any browser, for example Chrome or internet, and you can type in the IMEI number which you just found in the device and again click on check. So now this will give you the exact idea whether it's a Note 10 or it's another Android phone, with the cheap Android hardware. There are tons of ways you can find out. Also, you can download a application like NT2 installer or Geekbench to give you an accurate idea, but still I feel the dialing code are the most accurate in any device. It will take you to the hardware menu. It will give you the IMEI, all the information which you need, because these menu are set by Samsung engineers, so there is no way they can change it. So guys, this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope this is informative for people who are buying these expensive smartphones, and then sometime you can get a device which is not authentic. So this is always a good way to find out. And also, suppose your device is having some issue, you can go to the hardware menu and you can find out where is the issue. So that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. That's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon. Also, I have made a playlist of Galaxy Note 10's video, which includes the sound test, comparison with S10 Plus, the color options available, and so on. Kindly click over here to see those videos. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.